Hola de nuevo. Here I come. Okay, hello again. Esta noche veré tortugas del mar, I hope, tonight to see some sea turtles. So leatherback turtles come up on the shore and we're supposed to measure them and like keep track of where their nests are and stuff. Oh, I've never seen a leatherback. This is going to be so fun. Estoy emocionada. I hope I get to see one. So excited. Okay, substitution method. I think you guys are going to be fine with this one. That video that you saw that other teacher made, I thought that explained it pretty well. I just want to do a few of the problems with you. So, number one, it says y equals 6x. Well, if y equals 6x, we can just substitute 6x in where the y is in the other equation. So that's what substitution's all about. You put something in place of the other. And so if y equals 6x, we just can put 6x in where the y is. So we get x plus 6x equals 28. Add our like terms. That's 1x plus 6x is 7x equals 28. Divide by 7x equals 4. Woo! Okay, that's part of our answer. 4 is our x coordinate. Now we still need our y coordinate. And all we have to do is plug the x coordinate back into one of our original equations. We're just going to plug x equals 4 back into one of these, and you can pick whichever one you want to plug it into. Hang on one sec. My red pen. Okay. So now we're going to put the 4 in, I don't know, let's just put it right here. Put the 4 into this equation, and y equals 6 times 4, which is 24. That is the answer. And you can check it, super easy, by plugging the x and the y into one of the equations. Okay, so if x is 4 and y is 24, does it equal 28? Yay, you got it. Go team. Okay, next. So on this page we have the same thing, just ramped up a little harder, not too bad. We still have y, and we know what y is, so we can sub all this in. All that junk is y. We're going to sub it in for y right here. Sub it in for y right there. So we'll rewrite this as 2x plus 3, that 3, times the junk, times that junk, equals 25. And then we solve it. So 2x, gotta do the distributive, 3 times 3, 9x. 3 times 1 is 3. Got some like terms. 2x plus 9x is 11x. Texas Chainsaw said get rid of the 3 first because he wandered off by himself. 11x equals 22. Divide by 11 to get 11 alone, and x equals 2. Bueno, x is 2. So then all we have to do, I'm going to erase this, so hope you wrote it all down. You can watch it again at home too if you didn't. Here it goes. So all you have to do now is take x equals 2 and plug it into any one of your original equations, whichever one you want. I feel like plugging it in this one because then I'll figure out what y is right away. If I put a 2 right there, 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 equals y. Okay, so y is 7. And then to check it, you can just pop it into any equation, see if it works. If x is 2 and y is 7, does that equal 25? 4 plus 21 is 25. Yes, it does. Okay, we are doing awesome. Okay, there's just one more to do. Now, this is the hardest kind when you don't have a letter all alone. But it won't be hard to get the R alone. He's the easiest one to get alone. So let's get him alone, and we're going to move the 5 so that R equals, you know what, those aren't like terms. We can't add them, but we can just write 6s minus 5. R equals that junk right there, 6s minus 5. So I can replace the R right there with this junk. So I'm going to rewrite it as 2 times the junk, which is standing in for R, plus 3s, plus 3s, equals 0, and then we solve. Okay, here we go. Distributive. 2 times 6s, 12s. 2 times negative 5, negative 10. Plus 3s equals 0. Yeah, you know, I don't like those s's because they look kind of 5-ish. Make sure they're like way smaller so you don't forget. We've got a 12s and a 3s that are like terms. Positive 12, positive 3 is 15 s's. Minus 10 equals 0. Gotta get s alone. Let's add 10 to both sides. I'm going to move it up here. And 15s equals 10. Oh, I'm looking at a fraction here. 2/3. Okay, that's s. Now, when I'm putting it in my little coordinate set there, I need to put it in the right place. I've got an r and an s. So in alphabetical order, this would be r and this would be s. And s is 2/3. Okay, so let me make some space for myself. I can put this in anywhere I want. 2/3 anywhere I want. I'm going to put it in this one. Oh, I could have put it in, when I had this, r equals 6s minus 5. I could put it in that one. A little easier. I'm going to put my 2/3, which is s, where the s is. So r equals 6 times 2/3 minus 5. Put my s in where that s is, and then I multiply. I can reduce there, or I can reduce later, but I'm going to reduce right now. 3 goes in 3 once, 3 goes in 6 twice. 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 minus 5 is negative 1. Now, you know, those fractions, I thought Mrs. Days told me not to mess with fractions. Well, I don't want you to deal with fractions when you're graphing, unless they give you fractions. But let's just see if it worked. If it fits back in the equation, then it's cool and I did it right and I don't have to retape this. So I hope it's right. So I can choose any one. I'm going to choose that one this time. 2 times r, which is negative 1, plus 3 times s, which is 2/3, equals 0. Okay, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, and these reduce to 1. So plus 2 equals 0. Ha ha! Yes! This one only took me 2 takes. Okay, see you later.